In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently set up your own local WordPress site using Local, a popular and versatile tool for developers and WordPress enthusiasts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a local development environment up and running, letting you experiment and develop WordPress sites without needing a live server. This is an invaluable skill for anyone looking to fine-tune their WordPress skills or test changes before going live. To start off, you'll need to download Local from their official website, which you can find at localwp.com. Once you've navigated to the site, simply locate the download section and grab the version that corresponds to your computer's operating system. After downloading, proceed to install the application by opening the installer and following the on-screen instructions, which are very straightforward. After a brief moment, you'll have Local installed. Now with the app installed, it's time to launch it. Find the Local app in your Applications folder and open it. Once the application is up and running, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that's designed to make your setup process as easy as possible. The very first thing you'll notice is the big button that says Create a New Site. Clicking this button initiates the process of setting up your local WordPress site. The next step involves naming your site. This could be anything you like, such as My First Site or something specific to the project you're working on. Remember, this name is just for local use, so feel free to get creative. Next, you'll need to choose a username and password. These credentials are what you'll use to log into your WordPress dashboard once the site is set up. It's a good practice to choose something secure and easy to remember. Don't forget to take note of these credentials for future use. Once you've entered your site name, username, and password, simply click on the Start Site button. Local will then work its magic, setting up everything needed for your WordPress site to run smoothly on your local machine. This process usually takes only a minute or two, and you'll be notified once it's ready. Congratulations, your very own local WordPress site is now live. To access it, all you need to do is navigate to the URL that's provided, which will look something like your sitename.local. From there, you can log into the WordPress dashboard using the username and password you just created and start building, customizing, and testing to your heart's content. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to set up a local WordPress development environment using Local. This process not only saves you time by eliminating the need for a live server, but also provides a safe space to explore new themes, plugins, or updates without risking your live site. Happy developing!